Black view for your safe driving.
The Opaluma RuPaul has a metallic rainbow colouring, as Camila McInnes reports.
In just a week, RuPaul's Drag Race UK will return to our screens for another season. But before then, the popular drag queen has been given the slightly obscure honour of having an insect named after him.
Cloud connected.
Fly is part of the new Australian genus Opaluma, from the Latin words for opal and thorn, reflecting the sparkling colours of flies in this group and the distinctive thorn on their abdomens. This isn't the first time an insect's been given the celebrity treatment. The entomologist who named the Opaluma RuPaul, Dr. Brian Lessard, has officially named 50 species, with the first being the Scaptia Beyonce in 2011 after a